Use safely. A portable generator delivers the power you need just when you need it most. Like now. Or now. Or even now. But some users don't understand the dangers of these emissions right here. This is carbon monoxide, an odorless, colorless gas that can kill if portable generators are used indoors. That's scary stuff. But now, the good news. To protect yourself from these carbon monoxide emissions, all you have to do is take it outside. That means never running your portable generator inside your home, garage, shed, or basement where emissions can build up, or near windows or doors where emissions can find their way into occupied areas. Instead, keep your portable generator outdoors. When you take it outside, you distance yourself from the dangers of carbon monoxide. For more tips on portable generator safety, visit takeyourgeneratoroutside.com.